is an amazing gift to offer the world. I know many different teachers in this field that are just very strong and very capable, and Anita is definitely top of those.
This experience of NLP during this course has been really transformational for me. I've basically stepped into the life that I've been wanting for the last 3 years now.
What is the most enjoyable about it is the discovery of how we use the linguistic in our everyday manifestation.
I just wish that I had known about this kind of NLP maybe 20 years ago.
I came across Anita, who was teaching NLP, and I think NLP is really the very best thing that ever happened to me in my entire life.
Completely transform your mind and release those challenges that you've had in the past that have stopped you becoming the person that you are destined to be.
I really understood how to ask the right types of questions to really understand the root of the problem of my clients and also for myself. Thank you, Anita, for an amazing 8 days. You really taught me a lot, and I can't wait to implement everything. My brain's about to explode, but I can't imagine actually seeing life the same ever again.
It was just wonderful. It was amazing. Anita is just a truly genuine person. She has intense insight into this process and how it works, and I really like that she's continuing always to evolve it and take it to the next level for herself and for all the people that she works with. It really brings just a greater depth to the value that you're already bringing to your clients.
The overall fuzzy feeling I have inside, and it's named unlimited potential. There's also a variation to it, which is unlimited possibilities.
I can tell that she has so much knowledge and intelligence in her brain that's just and she's just so happy to share it. So I think those are two amazing things. She's extremely smart, but she's happy to pass on her knowledge. And she does it in a really good way, actually. She does it in a really practical and easy to absorb way, and how you can implement it into your life. So I find that awesome.
Why am I doing it? Simple. I believe that inside each and every human being on this planet, there is the blueprint of the best version of you, mental, spiritual, and physical. You have creative potential, and you have the ability to express it and be it and live it. Do it.
Anita, I would just say keep going. You're totally amazing. Thumbs up.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for all the great work from everyone, and especially from her.